This is how to use sub-admin panel. Please enter the PIN, press on submit. To give points to customer, please go to customer, search the customer, click on plus, enter the bill ID, enter the billing amount, and please press increase points. That's it. This is how to confirm reward. From your app, the customers can redeem the reward. Please go to the left side, press on reward, press on search reward, enter the phone number or name or email of the customer, and you can see the customer reward status is pending. You can press on claim. That's it. Your customer's reward has been confirmed.